Time for the $500 trading tips, and we'll be checking these out right in this video. However, before we go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from me, kindly subscribe to this channel right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay, and of course, guys, if you have any question, you can drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply. These are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. Let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with GainX 1200. Okay, guys, this is GainX 1200, and yesterday we started this uptrend. Yesterday, I gave us this signal, and I also updated us on it this morning. Okay, and just the way we have seen it, this has been on uptrend majorly, buying and buying and buying. It has achieved most of our TP. In short, all our TPs, TP 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, congratulations to those who were able to pick up this signal, and it is still buying, guys. It is still buying. So this is still more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Next asset is going to be GainX 999. Remember, we are on 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so this is GainX 999, and this actually started a downtrend right from this resistance zone. It started a downtrend right from here, and it has been selling since, guys. It has been selling. Okay, so it is still selling at the moment, so this is still going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. The next asset is going to be Paynex 1200. Let's check it out together. This is Paynex at 1200. This actually started a downtrend right from here. And of course, it sold for a while. We also have come in at the resistance zone, but we didn't come in right from there because the trend actually started in the ninth. Okay, so we were sleeping then. So we came in later on and gave us the first TP. Then after that, it had a major pullback. We were actually expecting it to clear all this liquidity around there, but they didn't clear it. Okay, so it went back again. Okay, so at least we achieved the first TP. Okay, so this is still buying at the moment, guys. This is still buying right now. Okay, so that is still more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Now let's check PNX 999. This is PNX 999. This has been on downtrend just the way we have analyzed earlier today. And later on, earlier today, I dropped this small signal within the Telegram channel. After this pullback, okay, it gave us a pullback, and I had to wait for it to give us a sell signal and a downtrend signal. At least the sell signal to continue with the downtrend signal, and of course, it gave us, and I quickly jumped into it. First, our entry point, our stop loss, okay, for those that didn't start right from the beginning, okay, and of course we had our first TP, second TP, and third TP, and just where we have seen it, we've achieved our first TP. We are waiting for it to achieve the second and the third TP right from there. All these happen on 15-minute time frame. Okay, so this is big profits already. So congratulations to those who are able to pick up this signal. Okay, so this is still more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. So let's check out the last asset. So the last asset is going to be FX volume 80. FX volume 80 had also been on uptrend. We didn't get to analyze this particular asset earlier today. Okay, so it had been on uptrend, and it played around this support trend line for a while. I actually drew this support trend line yesterday, and as you can see, immediately it got there, it went back up again and even broke out from here. And this is, this has actually gotten to this particular resistance zone. Okay, it has gotten to this resistance zone, and it has not been able to break out from there. So We're trying to see if it will break out from there. If it does not, then it will switch into a downtrend and start selling. But for now, it is still buying until it is unable to break out from the resistance zone, and that is when it's going to sell. Okay, so this is very, very important. So this is still more of a buying opportunity until it is unable to break out above the resistance, and that is when it will sell. So these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand how every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to my channel, watch my training videos very well, practice very well on your demo account before you try them out on your real account. And if you love my content, kindly subscribe to this channel right away. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.